just right. Easy bookmarks. Let's make a simple bookmark. Take any square sheet of paper like that and fold diagonally. So this is me folding diagonally. Now I've folded my paper. The next thing you want to do is to identify the middle. So to get the middle, I'll do this. The middle of my paper. So open it up like that, okay, and fold right down from the middle. Okay, we've got that, and we're going to do that to this one as well. So fold that down to the middle. So far, here is what we've got. Now open that up like that, turn it around, take one of that ones, this one, and fold it here. Remember, we already formed a triangle here, so fold it or press if you like. Now we're going to take each of these ones, we're going to put them in here. So take the first one like that, and okay, put it in. Push it as far as you can. So that's one of them in. That's the second one. And we're gonna push that one in as well. So that's our simple bookmark all done. Would you be trying this at home? Please let me know in the comments below. So